Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am going to just start the next part or last part of this chapter, air and atmosphere, in class 6 chemistry. As we are studying about the air and atmosphere, so it is also very necessary to read about the air pollution, because this chapter is related with the air and atmosphere. So, what is air pollution? As previously you all are knowing about the term pollution, any harmful or undesirable substance which are released in the air and pollute the air, that is known as the air pollution. That means the release of undesirable substance in the air. The release of undesirable and harmful substances in the air is called air pollution. And the substances which causes the air pollution, that substances are known as the air pollutant. That means what is pollutant? These pollutants are the substance, ये ऐसे substance होते हैं जिनकी वजह से air pollution होता है. And some substances which causes the air pollutions are hydrogen sulfide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, etc. Some pollutants are there which causes the air pollution. Now, what are the things which are the cause of the air pollution? That means what are the sources through which the air pollutions occurs? So I had already written the names. These are the sources of air pollution. That means ऐसे कौन कौन से रीजन से कारण हैं जिनके कारण से एयर पोल्यूशन होता है. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज द कंबशन ऑफ फ्यूल. So in previous video I already told you about the combustion. That means when the combustion takes place, it releases the carbon dioxide gases. That means combustion of fuels also going to increase the factor which causes the air pollution. And how these combustions are occurs? Due to the thermal power plant, due to the electricity power plant, due to transport, the vehicles which are moving on the road, that all the things are going to contribute in the combustion of the fuel, and they also increase the air pollution. And some pollutants which are released due to the combustion of fuels are nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. ये दो ऐसी गैसेस हैं ड्यू टू द कंबशन ऑफ फ्यूल रिलीज होती हैं. नाउ सेकंड इज द गैसियस इमिशन फ्रॉम द फैक्ट्री. दैट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज आर देयर थ्रू विच द एम्प्लॉयज आर गोइंग टू contribute their work, but these factories are also going to release the some harmful gases in the atmosphere through which the air pollution causes. That means इन फैक्ट्रीज़ के अंदर बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट बनते हैं जिनकी वजह से क्या होता है, एयर पोल्यूशन होता है. आई थिंक लेटेस्टली 2-3 months before one factory is also going to release some harmful chemicals in the air through which number of persons are died. So that is also the reason of the एयर पोल्यूशन. दैट मीन्स गैसियस इमिशन, जो भी डिफरेंट टाइप की गैसेस रिलीज होती हैं और वो क्या करती हैं, दे आर वेरी टॉक्सिक फॉर द ह्यूमन बींग्स, एंड दीज आर the carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon. This is the very harmful gas, carbon monoxide. Now the next thing is their agriculture activities. That means the agriculture activities, whenever the practices or agriculture practices are going on there, the farmers are using different types of fungicide, weedicide, fertilizer in their field, so that the proper growth of crops will be there. But these things are also going to be enhance the air pollution, because they are also going to mix in the air and they causes the air pollution. One more practice is there, that is the burning of पराली. आपने सुना होगा कि मोस्टली पंजाब साइड पे वट एवर द फील्ड, जो पूरी फील्ड जब हार्वेस्टिंग हो जाती है उसको क्या करते हैं, लेफ्ट ओवर थिंग्स को दे आर गोइंग टू बर्न. दे ऑल्सो रिलीज द हार्मफुल substances in the atmosphere through which the air pollution causes. Next is the decay of organic waste. Now that means the organic waste, just like the waste material of the dead animals and the remains of landfills, they also going to release the harmful substances. Now natural phenomena, that means the volcanic eruption, the heavy storm, wildlife, these are also the things through which some chemicals are released, some airs are released, which causes the air pollution. And the last one is the atomic and nuclear emission. That means whenever the atomic emission or nuclear emission takes place, it releases a huge amount of toxic gases in the air. इनके थ्रू बहुत ज़्यादा toxic air जो होती हैं, gases होती हैं, they are going to release in the atmosphere, which causes the different types of harmful things and it causes the air pollution. So these are some sources which are going to cause the air pollution. Now the next topic is the effect of air pollution. After air pollution, whatever the effect on the human body, other things, effect of air pollution. So whatever type of pollution is there, they always give the adverse effect on the living things. So हमेशा एक negative effect ही देगा. और air pollution, it is very harmful for health hazard. Now when number of harmful gases are released in the air, so that air is also inhaled by the person. Number of harmful gases are also goes inside the human body, that causes a different types of respiratory disease. वो बहुत तरीके की respiratory disease को cause करेंगे. They also cause the asthma, और sometime this disease will be very health hazard and very problematic for the person. Next is the environmental hazard. Now these gases also cause the adverse effect on the atmosphere. As I told you, the sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, these are some gases which is released by the factories and the other things and causes the air pollution. When these gases are mixed with the water, जब ये rain के साथ mix हो जाती हैं, तो these causes the acid rain. That means sulfur dioxide water के साथ मिलेगी तो it makes the sulfuric acid, और जब नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड मिलेगी तो it forms the nitric acid, और ये दोनों मिलकर के क्या बनाते हैं, acid rain बनाते हैं. और this acid rain is very harmful for the crops, for the animal health. Sometimes they also cause the death of the animal. They also lost the monuments beauty. Next is the global warming. Now the global warming, it is the surface of the earth becomes hot. जो हमारी अर्थ की surface है वो क्या हो जा रही है, hot हो जा रही है during the daytime. Daytime तो it will be hot, but during the night it will be cooled down because most of the heat is going to escape from the earth's surface. But if the air pollution will be there, so some gases are there which are going to trap the हीट, जैसे कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड होती है CO, इट इज़ द कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, ये गैस क्या होती है, इट इज़ गोइंग टू ट्रैप द हीट, और जब ये हीट को ट्रैप कर लेगी तो अर्थ का सरफेस क्या होगा, डे टाइम और नाइट टाइम दोनों में ही गर्म रहेगा, जिसकी वजह से अर्थ का सरफेस दिन पर दिन गर्म होने लगेगा, इट कॉजेज द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। सो द गैसेस विच ट्रैप्स द हीट, वो गैसेस जो हीट को ट्रैप कर लेती हैं, उन गैसेस को कहते हैं ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस। The gases which traps the heat is known as the greenhouse gases, and this complete phenomena is known as greenhouse effect. Now let's see what is global warming, because this is also a very important term. So what is global warming? It is the increase in temperature, the increase in the temperature of the earth why, क्यों गर्म हो रहा है? एज आई टोल्ड यू, बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस, द इंक्रीज इन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन द concentration of greenhouse gases are called global warming, and some greenhouse gases are carbon monoxide, methane. These are the most harmful greenhouse gases. Now how we can control the air pollution? I think this is very easy topic, and you all are knowing to control the pollution. Controlling air pollution. So if you want to control the air pollution, तो most thing is there, most important thing, plant more trees. जितना ज़्यादा आप plant लगाएंगे, it will be useful for the earth. That means growing more trees. नेक्स्ट थिंग क्या हो सकती है? अवॉइड द वेस्टेज. जितना आप एक्सेस वेस्ट निकालते हैं, प्लास्टिक वेस्ट निकालते हैं, दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर द अर्थ. सो अवॉइड द वेस्टेज यूजिंग इको फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट. यूजिंग इको फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट्स. से नो टू प्लास्टिक. Say no to open defecation. Open defecation. Okay, now the next thing is there, minimizing the waste, reducing the waste. And whatever the guidelines are provided by the Central Pollution Control Board, follow that all the guidelines. That means जो भी guidelines government के through दी जाती है, follow that all guidelines. So this is all about the chapter air and atmosphere. This is the last part of that chapter. So watch the video, try to understand the thing which whatever I had explained to you. Now thank you, bye bye.